Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of snaps not sending on the application of Snapchat. You will go to settings as you see and you will click here. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this page you will search about the application of Snapchat and you will click. Then in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.